How do I password protect my WooCommerce store? WordPress doesn't include a native option for this. You'll need two plugins, Password Protect WordPress and its WooCommerce extension. Once both are active, here are the steps. Protect the whole store. Step 1. Go to Pages and find your shop page. Step 2. Click the Protect option to enable password protection. Then go to Manage Passwords to open the PPWP dashboard, where you'll see the auto-generated password. To verify it's working, open the shop page in an incognito window. You'll see the password prompt instead of the store. Enter the password and the full shop loads with all your products. Once the shop page is protected, all product pages and category pages are automatically locked as well. Protect individual products. If you need to protect only specific products, for example, staff-only items or members-only content, the process is similar. Step 1. Open the product you want to protect. In the right sidebar, you'll see the Password Protect WordPress panel. Toggle it on, enter a password, and submit. The product is now protected. Step 2. Update or save your changes. To verify, right-click the product permalink and open it in an incognito window. The product page now shows a password prompt instead of the product. Enter the correct password and the full product page loads. Virtual products get even better with PPWP. Buyers receive a quick access link automatically after purchase, giving them instant access to the protected content. To set this up, open the product and scroll down to the Product Data section. Check the virtual checkbox, then click the PPWP Protection tab. Here you set the usage limit, expiration time, and customize the message the buyer receives. Subscribe for more WordPress tutorials that actually work.